Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to learn how to find deleted messages on Discord. It's a very easy and simple process. Let's begin. First of all, just open your Chrome and then type Lighty's better Discord stuff. And then when the page is open, just scroll down and you will see message logger v2. Just tap on download. Once it's downloaded, open your Discord and make sure that you have downloaded better Discord. If you don't know how it's done, just open your Chrome and then just type betterdiscord.app and then download, and that's all. Okay, so let's go back to the video. Once it is downloaded, just go to your Discord and then tap on user settings and then just scroll down and you will see over here better Discord and over here plugins. Once you have downloaded Lighty's better Discord, just open plugins and then just search in your folder. Let me show you. Let me open this and let me open the folder. As you can see, message logger v2 as I have already done. So just tap on it and then give access, and or this all filters will be shown. So now just go back and then open your server and just type whatever you want, like just press hi. Okay, now delete your message. If you delete your message, where it is, okay, here, let me delete the message. If you delete your message, it will be shown in the red color. In red color, it means that if you delete message, whoever are edited in your server, they can still see your message. So this is the way how to find your deleted messages on Discord.